This is how you open a Pay account in just 3 easy steps. You will get an IBAN, a free bank card, and send money to over 200 countries. You will also be able to receive transfers from all UAE banks, all at zero balance requirement. So let us get started. Download and install the Pay app from the Apple or the Play Store. Once the download is done, open your Pay app. As you can see on the screen, you can make instant money transfers, pay your bills, and most importantly, your money is safe with this app. So tap on Let's Get Started. Enter your mobile number, enter your referral code if you have any, and then tap on Apply Code. Agree to the terms and conditions, then tap on Continue. Enter the OTP that will be sent to your mobile number. By the way, you can use my number as your referral code to get a joining bonus. I'll leave that in the description. So our next step, which is the very most important step, is verifying our identity. So tap on Continue, scan both your front and the back side of your Emirates ID, and again verify that this ID belongs to you by completing a Face ID scan. And once your Face ID has been verified successfully, you can go ahead and set up your fingerprint ID. And that is it, Mabruk, your account has been opened. Now that our Pay wallet account has been opened, let me show you around the key features that you get that comes with this account. First and foremost, you can make international transfers, making it easy to send money to countries like India, Pakistan, Kenya, Uganda, and many other countries. In fact, you can send money to over 200 countries in just a snap of a finger at better exchange rates and lower fees. Another important feature is that you can make mobile top-up or pay bills using this app. You can also send money to any UAE mobile number or UAE bank. The most interesting feature is that you can order and get your free Pay card right now in your favorite location. With this Pay card, you can withdraw money from your Pay account using any ATM in the UAE that accepts Visa card. In a minute, we're going to talk about more options, how you can withdraw and add funds into your account. But the Pay card is very good that you can use it for Apple, Google, and Samsung Pay. You can also use it to buy items online, and also you can use this card to pay in any shop where card payments are accepted. So simply request for your free card by tapping on the card icon at the bottom of your screen and then tap on Order Now. Guys, this is very important. To reveal your Pay account IBAN number, tap on Manage at the bottom right of your app. Then tap here on IBAN details. Your IBAN number and account name will be revealed. You can also request for your bank statement by tapping here on My Statements. To add money into your Pay account, we have two main options. First, we have the cash method and then the online method. For online methods, we can use a bank transfer from another UAE bank. We can use a debit card or even use Apple Pay. Choose the one that best suits your need. But if you want to deposit using cash, you can also do so by using NT deposit machines that are near you. So guys, that is the Pay zero balance account for anyone in the UAE, even if your salary is just 1,000. If you want to know how I send money for free to India and other countries, let me know in the comments and subscribe for more.